I think Korea is going to conquer the world with your music and your dancing. All the young Indonesians, they all are crazy about K-pop. I would like to congratulate you on your leadership of APEC. This is a very excellent organized event.